Today I am reviewing the GoPro Hero. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and waterproof action camera, the GoPro Hero is one of the best choices on the market today. Despite its ultra-compact design, it packs a punch with 4K Ultra HD video recording and 12MP photos, making it perfect for adventurers, vloggers, and anyone who wants to capture their life in stunning detail. Ultra-compact and lightweight. The GoPro Hero weighs only 86 grams, which is about 35% smaller in volume and 44% lighter than the Hero 12 Black. That means you can easily carry in your pocket, backpack, or attach it to your gear without feeling weighed down. Whether you're hiking, biking, snowboarding, or exploring a new city, this camera stays out of the way while capturing every exciting moment. Rugged and waterproof. One of the standout features of the GoPro Hero is its legendary durability. The camera is completely waterproof up to 16 feet, 5 meters, without any extra housing. So whether you're diving into a lake, caught in the rain, or just enjoying a muddy adventure, you can trust that your footage is safe. The rugged construction also protects it from drops, bumps, and scratches, making it a reliable companion for any outdoor activity. Super simple controls. GoPro has made this camera extremely user-friendly. You don't need to be a professional filmmaker to capture high-quality footage. With a simple touchscreen interface, you just frame your shot and press the shutter button. The intuitive controls make it easy to switch between photo and video modes, adjust settings, and even capture photos from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Stunning image quality. Despite its small size, the Hero delivers crystal-clear 4K video that captures every detail of your adventures. It also shoots 12MP photos, giving you vibrant and high-resolution images. For even more flexibility, you can grab 8MP stills directly from your videos using the GoPro Quick app, which is perfect for capturing the exact moment you want without missing a beat. Versatile mounting options. The GoPro Hero comes with a curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle, thumb screw, and USB-C cable, so you can attach it almost anywhere. From helmets and surfboards to bikes and drones, it's easy to mount your camera in the perfect position to get the shot you want. The compact size also makes it ideal for handheld filming, giving you creative freedom in every adventure. Perfect for everyone. Whether you're an action sports enthusiast, a travel vlogger, or just someone who loves documenting everyday life, the GoPro Hero is designed to be accessible, portable, and reliable. Its small footprint, waterproof design, and powerful 4K video make it a versatile tool for any situation. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero is a perfect combination of portability, durability, and image quality. It's compact enough to take anywhere, rugged enough to survive outdoor adventures, and powerful enough to capture stunning 4K video and sharp 12MP photos. If you want a camera that can go wherever life takes you and record every moment in breathtaking quality, the GoPro Hero is an excellent choice.